Okay, so another way to clean the bowl is to simply put it in the dishwasher. So all of these parts are completely dishwasher safe, and you can put the whole bowl, the lid and the MC into the dishwasher and it will clean it that way. Or you can pull it apart. So pull out your base, pull out your blades and put them all in individually. That's totally fine too. Just make sure that you don't have kids or anyone, like if you do put the blades in like that, it's quite dangerous because they're very sharp. So if you do have kids that are emptying the dishwasher, perhaps it's better to hand wash it or to leave the blades attached to the bowl before putting it in the dishwasher.
So no matter what, whether you're washing it in the dishwasher or you're washing it in the sink, always make sure that these pins are dry before you put it onto the base, because that's what touches all the electronic parts.